Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join in this sloka recitation. Today's sloka is 13th chapter, 34th sloka.
यथा प्रकाशयत्येकः कृत्स्नं लोकम् इमं रविः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा कृत्स्नं प्रकाशयति भारत.
Now we are deep into the 13th chapter and Krishna has beautifully composed the slokas and now he is explaining point by point in each of these slokas. So let us join in the hearing of this explanation in a very beautiful manner. What is the explanation he is giving? This chapter is what? Chapter itself is explaining the body, which is the field, and the knower of the field, that is Krishna himself. So we are together enjoying that. What does the sloka say? O son of Bharata, as the sun alone illumines all this universe, so the living entity, one within the body, is illuminating the entire body by consciousness. Other example normally given for the soul, our soul in the body is, our soul takes care of our consciousness. Our consciousness, that is the soul, it illuminates the whole body of ours only. And the sun illuminates all this universe. In this material universe, there is only one sun. Material universe means you can go up to even Indraloka, Brahmaloka, they are all counted as material universe only. They are not spiritual. So Swargam also is in this our material universe only. So they say some 14 lokas. That means 7 lokas, which includes the 6 patala, 6 lokas and our earth, and 7 higher lokas. Total 14 lokas. All that is together is material universe, and there is only one sun. So that takes care of all the illumination of all the universes. So that is all the worlds. That is fantastic. So, but more fantastic is, just as our soul takes care of our body and illuminates, just as the sun illuminates the whole of material world with 14 lokas, Krishna's consciousness, his big super soul, that is taking care of the whole universe, whole creation. Krishna's this one is taking care. When we are on the topic of illumination, a joke comes to the mind. Master Gopal of the school is asking Sinu, which is far off, England or the sun? He says, England, sir. England is far off than the sun. Master was surprised. How do you say that? Sir, we are able to see the sun, but England I am not able to see. So England must be far off. How is that? That is a small boy's logic. Hare Krishna.